I've been cleaning up and organizing things, and this is a shank for one of my very old guillotine tools. I have a second one of these that I cut in half. I have a very simple idea to make a hardy tool that will make making compound bends just a little bit easier. I'm going to hot punch a hole in this and make a hardy hole ring, or I guess you could call it a hardy hole tool. Just a very simple video today. I need to give a very big shout out to Hill Johnson for his recent very generous donation to the channel. Thanks so much for your support. So I want to final drift this to 15 millimeters, which is the diameter of this pin right here. Okay, tool completed. By the way, this is just mild steel. So I'll give this a few test runs. As you might be able to guess from what I'm doing, this will have something to do with tong making and just making a compound bend before moving on to other phases of making a pair of tongs. I'd like to go a little shorter on the jaws on this try. So you might say, why not just use your bending jig? And sure, that's definitely an option, but sometimes working vertically can be a little bit easier than horizontally depending on the project. I'll see if I can accurately repeat a compound bend on two pieces. It's a simple operation that you might just perform free-handed and get good results, but with a simple tool like this, you can get more repeatable results. I'll take these 2 blanks now and just work them to a certain point. I need to make myself some new tongs for some projects I have in mind, and when doing stuff for myself, I always like to experiment a little bit and try things out, maybe just a slightly different way here and there. You can see the beginnings of a decent tong here. One that I'll probably work more on the jaws, draw them out, and make them finer. It's a simple tool that maybe might help you in your own work. Thanks for watching. Got a lot more fooling around to do.